These are tree lilies. They grow 6 to 8 feet tall, and you should plant them bulbs as deep as 12 inches. Here is one I planted, it's got to be well over 10 years ago, and it's growing beside, this is it right now. And you can see by comparing with my hand how big the blooms are. And here's one on the other side, and there it is the first year, well over 10 years ago. I got these tree lilies from Breck's, and it was well over 10 years ago. Here's one that was flopping down on my workbench there, but you can see how big it is. And the perfume from these is so strong in this area where this arch is, it can be almost overwhelming. And Julie and I like it, but I can imagine there might be people where it might be too much for them. It is so strong. If you just plant them 10 to 12 inches deep and give them plenty of sun, and I just fertilize them with the rest of my garden. They are susceptible to Japanese beetles because of the strong scent they have. But if you do get Japanese beetles, just spray them with a mixture of dish soap and water. And you could even put that spray in a Windex bottle, or I have a garden sprayer I use. But the dish soap and water won't kill them, but it's not poisonous to humans, and it won't kill them, but it keeps them under control, because they can just devour your plants and go from one to another. So it keeps them under control, so that don't happen. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.